Does your Google TV keep disconnecting from Wi-Fi? This usually happens because of weak or unstable signals, router compatibility issues, or sometimes a bug in the system software. So in this video, I'm going to show you some effective solutions to get this problem fixed. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the fixes. Solution 1. Restart Google TV and router. Most of the time, the connection issue is temporary. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Then plug it back on. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue instantly. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to your Google TV home menu. Use your remote to navigate to the gear icon. Click OK on your remote to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Select your Wi-Fi from here and scroll down to the bottom of its setting. Choose Forget Network and confirm your choice. After that, go back to Network and Internet. Find your Wi-Fi again. Then re-enter your Wi-Fi password and connect again. See if that fixes the problem or not. Solution 3. Factory reset. If nothing else works, you can reset your Google TV back to factory settings. To do this, go back to Settings. Scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Now select an Open About. Go to Factory Reset from here. Now you will need to select Factory Reset from here again and confirm your choice. After that, you can wait for the process to finish. But let me warn you that a factory reset will erase all your apps, accounts, and settings, bringing your Google TV back to how it was on day 1. You'll need to set it up from scratch, so I highly recommend using this only if all other solutions fail. But it's also important to know that factory resets usually fix almost any problem out there, as long as it's not hardware related, so you can try it if you want. And that's it. With these 3 solutions, your Google TV should stop dropping its Wi-Fi connection and stay online smoothly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Google TV fixes. See you next time.